Hello students, today we are going to start new exercise 12.2. Before starting this exercise, I am going to discuss some new formulas. Okay? Now see, this one is your circle and this is your center and this region is known as sector. This is a minor sector. Okay? This region is known as minor sector. How we find the area of minor sector? Finding the area of sector. When it is written here sector, it means it is a minor sector. Unless it is not written here major sector. Okay? Whenever in question you are going to find area of sector, sector means minor sector. It is understood. Okay? How we find the area of minor sector? Formula finding the area of minor sector is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Pi r square theta upon 360 degree. This is your radius. This is your angle. And by using pi r square theta 360 we can find the area of minor sector. This is your minor sector. Okay. Now length of minor sector. How you find the length of minor sector? Finding the length formula is pi r theta upon 180 degree. Okay. How you find the length of sector? Pi r theta upon 180 degree. Now here comes area of major sector. Major sector means this sector. Unshaded region is known as major sector. Okay, how we find the area of major sector? This complete figure is circle. So write here area of circle. Area of circle minus area of minor sector. Write here area of minor sector. How we find the area of circle? You know, pi r square. How you find the area of minor sector? Formula is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So this formula is known as area of major sector. Okay, area of circle minus this area of minor sector. This is known as area of major sector. Okay, clear? Now this is segment. This is minor, so this become a minor segment. Now segment is enclosed by chord and this arc length. And this sector is enclosed by arc length and the radius. Radius and arc length is going to make sector. And this arc length and this chord is going to make a segment. Since this is a minor, so this becomes minor segment. And this is a major, so this is a major segment. This unshaded region is a larger part of the circle. So this becomes a major segment. This is the smaller part of the circle, so this becomes minor segment. This shaded region is known as segment. Segment is a region enclosed with chord and arc length, corresponding arc length. Okay. Now formula is area of a segment. Segment is written, it means this is a minor segment. Okay. So how we find the area of minor segment? As you know, when I go to make this is center and this is your circumference. So this is known as radius. And this complete figure is the same. So this becomes a sector. In sector, when I am going to subtract this triangle, so this becomes a segment. Okay. So area of segment become area of sector minus area of triangle. What is the name of triangle? OAB. How you find the area of sector? You know, pi r square theta upon 360 degree. And area of triangle, I want to use formula this 1/2 r square into sin theta. By using this formula, I want to find the area of minor segment. Is it clear? Now next one is area of major segment. Same area of circle minus area of minor segment. Right here area of circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, minor segment, you know how you find the area of minor segment? Pi r square theta 360 upon 1/2 r square. 1/2 r square into sin theta. So area of major segment, area of this complete circle, subtract this minor segment, so this becomes major segment. So area of major segment become area of circle minus area of minor segment. How you find the area of circle? You know formula pi r square minus area of minor segment. You write this formula completely. Pi r square theta upon 360 degree minus 1/2 r square into sin theta. Okay, so this formula is known as area of major sector. By using these 2-3 formula, I want to solve this exercise 12.2. Okay, try to learn this formula. If you are able to learn this formula, then it is going to be very easy for you. Okay. Now we are going to start our exercise 12.2. See, first question, what is given? Find the area of a sector. In this question, we are going to find the area of sector. Only sector is given. It means we are going to find the area of minor sector. Okay. Of the circle with the radius 6 centimeter and angle of sector is 60 degree. It means R is given. Radius is 6 centimeter. And this theta is given 60 degree. These two values are given. Now sector, you know, when we are going to take this radius, this is your angle, and this portion is known as sector. We are going to find the area of this sector. So first write formula. Write here area of a sector. How you find the area of sector? You know formula, pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Now value of pi, you know, value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius is given in this question, which is 6. Space is there, write 6 2 times. After that theta, what is the value of theta? 60 degree. Write here 60 degree upon 360 degree. Write here 360. So this is going to cancel with 6. 6 is cancelled with 6. So this become 6 2s are 12. 132 by 7 centimeter square. So this is your answer. If you are going to divide 132 by 7, so answer become 18.86 centimeter square. So simple, by using formula of minor segment, this is your answer. Okay, you have to simple substitute the given values. R and theta is given. If you know the formula, then only substitute this value in the given formula and calculate it. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 12.2. In this question, find the area of a quadrant. We are going to find the area of quadrant. Okay, of a circle whose circumference is given. It means circumference. This is your circle. Circumference of circle is given. Okay, so write here circumference of a circle is given 22 centimeter. And you know how you find the circumference of circle? Formula is 2 pi r, which is equal to 22 centimeter. Okay, from this I want to find the value of radius. So divide 22 by 2 pi. You know value of pi is 22 by 7. So this can be written as 22 into 7, 2 into 22. This is cancelled. So this becomes 7 by 2. So radius of this question becomes 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay. But in this question we are going to find the area of quadrant. So write here area of quadrant. How you find the area of quadrant? This is the fourth part of the circle. See, this is semicircle, and this portion is known as fourth part of the circle and quadrant of the circle. And you know formula, pi r square upon 4. Value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius is given 7 by 2, 7 by 2, and take this 1 by 4 as 1 by 4. Now 7 is cancelled with 7. 2 ones are 2, 11, and this becomes 77 by 8 centimeter square. When you are going to divide 77 by 8, the answer becomes 9.625 centimeter square. So this is your answer. I hope it is clear now. Now we are going to start question number 3. The length of minute hand of a globe is 14 centimeter. Now one globe is given. Okay. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. We are going to find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, this is your question. Suppose this is your slope. Here 12 is written and here 1. So this is your minute hand. This is your minute hand. Okay, this minute hand is going to start moving. We are going to find the area enclosed by minute hand in 5 minutes. When this minute hand start moving and reach at 1, so this is 5 minutes interval. Okay, we are going to find the area of this, and you know this is the shape of sector. So how you are going to find the area of sector? Okay, so write here area of sector. How you find the area of sector? You know formula, pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Okay, in this question the length of minute hand is given, which is 14 centimeter. So length of minute hand is equal to radius of circle, which is equal to 14 centimeter. This is center to circumference distance, so this is known as radius, and this is the length of the minute hand. Length of minute hand is equal to radius of circle. It means radius become 14. Okay, so right here value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius now given 14. Right here 14 into 14. R square is there. Now theta is missing. In this question, this angle theta is not given. So I want to check what is the angle made by minute hand during this interval. Okay, as you know, this minute hand is going to move, complete this circle within 60 minutes. When this minute hand going to move this complete circle in 60 minutes, it means this minute hand is going to make complete angle. And you know, complete angle is of 360 degree. So right here in 60 minute hand, in 60 minute hand move equal to 360 degree. Okay, in 1 minute hand move 360 by 60, but our minute hand is going to move how many minutes? 5 minutes. So we are going to check the area swept by 5 minutes. So right here in 5 minutes it is going to move 360 upon 60 into 5. So this is going to be 60, 6 5 is 30. So this is going to make 30 degree angle within 5 minutes. So this minute hand going to make angle 30 degree within 5 minutes. So angle will become 30. So right here 30. Clear? Now 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. This 0 is cancelled 0. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So this become 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 or 115 upon 3 centimeter square. So this is your answer. Area of sector made by minute hand in 5 minutes. And you are going to divide 154 by 3 to answer become 51.3 centimeter square. I hope it is clear now. Now we are going to solve this question number 4. See what is given in this question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle at the center. Suppose this is your chord. This chord AB is going to make right angle at the center. This is your center. Now this is angle 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. And the radius of this circle is given 10 centimeter. Now AB's chord. This AB chord going to make 90 degree angle at the center. Okay. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. In first case we are going to find the area of minor segment, and in the second case we are going to find the area of major sector. This one is sector. Okay. And this one is segment. Clear? Now I write here area of minor segment. You know how you find the area of minor segment? Area of minor sector minus area of triangle OAB. This one is triangle. When I want to subtract this triangle from this complete sector, then this minus segment is going to come. This is your minus segment. How we find the area of minus segment? Area of sector minus area. This triangle, simple formula is this. Now, area of minus sector, you know, pi r square theta upon 360 degree minus 1 by 2 r square into sin theta. Now, theta is given. So, write here 90 degree. Clear? Now, in this question, value of pi is given 3.114. I want to use this value. So, instead of pi, I want to write 3.14. After that, r square. Radius is given. Radius of in this question is 10 centimeter. And theta is 90 degree. These two values are given. Now, instead of r, I am to write 10. 2 times, because square is given, theta become 90 degree. So, write here 90 degree upon 360 degree. Minus 1 by 2. R square is written. R square means 10 into 10. And you know, value of sin 90 is 1. Sin 0, 0, sin 90 is 1. So, instead of sin 90, I will write 1. Now, 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. So, in this become minus 50. Okay, 10 5s are 50. Now see, I want to remove this point. When I want to remove this point, the 100 comes in the denominator. Now these two zeros are cancelled. 19 4s are 360. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. And 2 7s are 40. Now divide 157 by 4. 2. 2 7s are 40. 2 8s are 60. 0.5 minus 50. So this becomes 28.5 centimeter square. This is the area of minor segment. First part of the question is over. Okay, I hope it is clear. I want to find the area of major sector. Major sector is written right here. Area of major sector. How you find the area of major sector? Area of circle minus area of minor sector. So area of circle, you know formula pi r square. Area of minor sector is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. The calculation of this part is you done. So answer of this part is 78.5, and I use this directly. Instead of this minus sector, I want to write this 78.5. I hope it is clear. Pi r square theta upon 360 degree, same value I want to use. So instead of this, I want to write 78.5 in this question. I use the answer of this part. Now pi r square means 3.14 into r square. R square means 10 into 10. When you are going to remove this point, 100 is there. This one is cancelled. So this becomes 340 minus 78.5. When you are going to subtract 78.5 from 340, the answer becomes 235.5 centimeter square. So this is your answer of second part. I hope it is now clear. Now we are going to start question number 5 of exercise 12.2. See what is given in this question. In a circle, one circle is given, radius is 21 centimeter, means r is given. Right here r 21 centimeter. And r subtend an angle of 60 degree, means theta is given. Theta is equal to 60 degree. And r subtend angle 60 degree at the center. Suppose this is your center. And this r AB is going to subtend 60 degree angle at the center. Okay. Radius is given 21 centimeter, right here 21 centimeter. Angle is also given 60 degree. This RAB going to subtend angle 60 degree at the center. Okay. Now in first case, we are going to find the length of the arc. And you know how to find the length of the arc. Simple formula is there. Right here, length of arc. How you find the length of arc? Length of arc means length of sector. How you find the length of sector? Pi r theta upon 180 degree. Simple formula is there. Pi r theta upon 180 degree. Now value of pi is 22/7. Radius is given 21 centimeter. Right here 21 centimeter. After that theta is also given 60 degree. Right here 60 degree upon 180 degree. Okay, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. This is going to cancel with 3. 3 is going to cancel with 3. Answer become 22 centimeter. So the length of the arc is 22 centimeter. Simple formula we will use pi r theta upon 180. After that, substitute the value of radius and theta and calculate it. Your answer will be 22 centimeter. Now in second case, we are going to find the area of sector. See, only sector is written. It means this is going to be the minor sector. We are going to find the area of minor sector formed by this arc. This arc going to form this sector. So right here area of sector. Area of sector, you know formula. Formula is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Clear? Now what is the value of pi? Value of pi is 22/7. Radius r square is given. Radius is 21. So right here 21 into 21. After that theta is given, which is 60 degree. Right here 60 degree upon 360 degree. Right here 360 degree. Clear? Now this is going to cancel with 6. 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and this become 11. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, so answer become 231 centimeter square, because this is his area. Area is in square centimeter or square meter or square unit. So this is centimeter square. Clear? Simple formula you are going to use pi r square theta upon 360 degree. After that, substitute the value of radius and theta and calculate the formula. This is your answer. Now see what is in the third part, area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. It means we are going to find the area of segment. Only segment is written, it means we are going to find the area of minor segment. So right here area of segment. How you find the area of segment? This is your segment. This AB segment. I want to find the area of this segment. How we find the area of this segment? Area of sector minus area of this triangle. Simple formula is right here area of sector. Area of sector is pi r square upon 360 degree minus 1/2 r square into sin theta. Theta is given 60 degree, so right here 60 degree. Now value of pi is going to remain same, and you know this calculation you done. So instead of this pi r square theta upon 60 degree, you can write directly 231. Clear? This formula I will use. This is the same pi r square theta upon 360 minus. How we find the area of minor segment? Area of sector minus area of triangle. So this is area of sector. Already you find out the value of area of sector minus sector, which is 231. So instead of this formula I will write 231. Okay, I hope it is clear. After that 1/2 r square. R square means 21 into 21, and you know value of sin 30. Value of sin 30 is √3/2. Now solve this two. So first term going to remain same. After that minus is there. 21 into 21 become 441 into √3, and 2 2s are 4. So this is your answer. This is the area of minor segment. Okay, area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle, you know formula 1/2 r square into sin theta. Area of sector pi r square theta upon 360 degree. This we calculate already, so instead of this I will write directly 231. Okay, after that calculate this area of triangle. So this is your answer. I hope it is clear now. Now we are going to solve question number 6 of exercise 12.2. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. Subtend angle 60 degree at the center. Suppose this is your chord AB. This chord going to make angle 60 degree at the center. So this angle becomes 60 degree. This is your center. Radius of this circle is given 15 centimeter. Angle becomes 60 degree. Find the area of corresponding minor and major segment. In this question, we are going to find the area of minor segment and major segment both. Use pi equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to 1.73. So we are going to start with minor segment. So first part, area of minor segment. You know formula? Area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Alright, here OAB. You know formula how to find the area of sector? Formula is pi r square theta upon 360 degree minus 1 by 2 r square into sine theta. This is the formula finding the area of triangle. Now in this question, angle is given 60 degree, so I write here 60 degree. This becomes sine 60. Okay. Now I want to calculate this portion. Pi, value of pi is given 3.14. Radius is given. What is the radius? 15 centimeter. Right here. R equal to 15 centimeter. Angle equal to 60 degree. Theta is given. So instead of R, I am to write 50. 2 times because scale is there. And theta is given 60 degree. So write here 60 degree. Upon 360 degree. Minus 1 by 2 r square. R means radius. Radius is 15. Right here 15 into 15, and you know value of sine 60 root 3 by 2. Clear? Value of sine 60 become root 3 by 2. R square means 15 to 15. 1 by 2 is going to remain same. Theta is given 60. R square means 15 to 15. Value of pi is given 3.14 and 360 is in the denominator. Now when I want to remove this point, under this comes. Now this one cancel with 6. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 5s are 7, 3 5s are 50. Okay, 100 is there, so don't right stake 100. 15 5s are 75. 75 into 157 become 11775. Okay, when you are going to multiply 75 into 157, this become 11775 upon 100. Now minus sign is there. 15 into 15, 225. Value of root 3 is given, which is 1.73 upon 2 2s are 4. When I want to remove this point, 100 is come, so this becomes 400. Now multiply 225 into 173. When you are going to multiply 225 and 173, so this becomes 38,925. 38,925 upon 400. Okay, so and this is going to remain same, 1175 upon 100. Since 100 is there, to put decimal after two digits. So this becomes 117 upon 75. 100 is there, it means you are going to put decimal here. So answer becomes 117.5. Okay, now divide 38,925 by 400. When you are going to divide 38,925 by 400, the answer becomes 97.3125. Okay, 97.3125. Now subtract 97.3125 from 1175. The answer becomes 20.43. So this is your answer. So this is the area of minor segment. I hope it is clear now. Using simple formula, area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector, you know, pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Area of triangle 1 by 2 r square into sine 60. Theta is given. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. 60 r 15. Radius given. Pi value pi is given 3.14. Now simple calculation is there. After calculating, the answer becomes 20.43 centimeter square. This is the area of minor segment. But this question having two parts. Second part is area of major segment. So right here, second part, area of major segment. How you find the area of major segment? Area of circle minus area of minor segment. This is your minor segment, and remaining portion is known as area of major segment. From this circle, and when I want to subtract this area of minor segment, so area of major segment is there. So area of major segment become area of circle minus this area of minor segment. Area of minor segment you already find out. What is the answer? 20.43. Right here 20.43 directly. You can use this value. Area of minor segment is this, and area of minor segment you find, which is 20.43. Right here 20.43. This is 4. After that, area of circle. How you find the area of circle? Using formula pi r square. What is the value of pi? 3.14. What is r? 15 into 50. Remove this point from here and 100 is there. Now multiply 15 into 50 and 340. 15 into 15 become 225 and 225 into 340 become 7. No, you are going to solve this. 5 3s are 15, 2 0, 5 6 are 15, 5 4s are 20, so this becomes 2 2s are 4 and this becomes 2.57. Now multiply these 3 terms and divide it by 2. When you are going to multiply these 3 terms, 3 3s are 9, 9 is going to multiply 157 and you are going to divide it by 2. So answer become 706. 706.5 minus 20.43. Okay, and you want to subtract 20.43 from 706. So answer become 687. 687.07. 687.07. This is your answer. Now see, I want to repeat this again. Area of major segment you are going to find. Formula area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of minor segment you are going to already find, which is 20.43. Right here directly 20.43 using this first part. Now area of circle, you know that how to find the area of circle? Pi r square. Value of pi is given 3.14 and radius is given 15 and 15. When I am going to remove this point, 100 is there. After calculating, this value become 706.5. Now subtract this minor segment from the area of circle. The answer becomes 687.07. So this is your answer of area of major segment. I hope it is clear now. Now we are going to start question number 8. In question number 7, center angle is given 120 degree. 120 degrees is not your syllabus. Okay, so I want to leave question number 7. Now we are going to start question number 8. Now see what is given. A hose is tied to the peg of one corner of a square shaped glass plate. Suppose this is a square glass plate. Okay, one hose is going to tie at the one peg of one corner. From this corner, one hose is going to the tie. Suppose this is the rope of the hose and this is going to the hose. Okay, the side glass field of side 15 centimeter. The side of this field is 15 centimeter. 15 meter. So since this is square, so all the sides are equal, 15 meter. By means of 5 meter long rope, the rope of hose is going to be 5 meter. So 5 meter become the radius of the first portion. Your center to circumference, this is known as the radius of the circle. So radius of the first portion become 5 meter. When rope is 5 meter, then the hose is maximum going to cover this area. So this is known as sector. So in the first case, we are going to find the area of sector by using radius 5 meter, and this angle is, you know, each angle is 90 degree. So theta become 90 degree. In the first case, we are going to find the area of this sector. See, in first case, the area of the part that fluid can be grasped by the hose. When length of the rope is 5 meter, then the hose is maximum going to this portion, cover this portion. This portion is going to be the sector of this figure. So we are going to find the area of sector. Okay, so first part I am going to find the area of sector. Right here, area of sector. How you find the area of sector? You know formula pi r square theta upon 360 degree. What is the value of pi? Value of pi is given, which is 3.14, and the radius is also given. In the first case, length of the rope is 5 meter. So this is going to the radius. So r become 5 meter. In the first case, r become 5. So this become 5 into 5 into theta. As this is the square, you know each angle of square is of 90 degree. So theta become 90 degree upon 360 is there. Now when we are going to remove this point, I take 100, 90 for the 360, 25 for the 100, 2 to the 4, this become 157. So 157 upon 2 4 the 8 centimeter square is the answer. When you are going to divide 157 by 8, the answer become 19.625. So right here 19.625 centimeter square. So this is the answer of first part. Area of sector when the rope of the length is 5 meter. Now in second case, we are going to find the increase in the grazing area. We are going to find the area of increased grazing area. So right here in second part, increase in grazing area. When it is going to increase when the rope of the length is become larger. Now in the second case, the length of the rope become 10 meter. We are going to make hose to move more forward when the length of rope become 10 meter. Then this hose will start moving forward. Now in next time, this area is going to graze by hose. Then we are going to increase the length of the rope. Length of the rope become 10. So in this case, radius become 10 meter. In second case, radius become this capital R, this larger sector having radius 10 meter and this smaller sector having radius is 5 meter. Okay, we are going to find the area of this shaded portion. This portion we are going to find the area, increased area. Now we find the area of increased grazing area. So area of sector, area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector. When we are going to subtract this smaller sector from the larger sector, this become area of increased grazing area. So right here, increased grazing area is equal to, I want to write here area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector. So area of larger sector means capital R I am going to use pi capital R square theta upon 360 degree. This is the formula of finding the area of sector. For the smaller sector I am going to use radius small r. And you know that small r is 5 and capital R is 10 meter. Now what is common between these two? Pi theta upon 360 degree is common. What is left? R square minus R square. Okay, now I want to solve. What is the value of pi? Value of pi is 3.14. Theta again 90 degrees given. Right here 90 degree. After that, upon 360 degree, remove this point and take 100 towards denominator. I want to solve this bracket. Now capital R become 10. Right here 10 square. Small r is 5. Right here 5 square. Now this one is going to cancel with 4. 2 to the 4. This become 157. So right here 157 upon this 200 into square of 100 is square of 10 is 100 and square of 5 is 25. So this becomes 75. Right here 75. Now 25 is up and 25 8s up. So this become 5 7 are 20, 3 7 are 21. 2 is left. 3 5 are 15 plus 2 17. 1. So this become 471 upon 8 centimeter square. So this is the area of increased grazing area. Okay, this portion, area of this portion is become 471 by 8. When you are going to divide 471 by 8, it become 58.7. So this become 58.7. Right here 58.7 centimeters square. So this is the increased grazing area, grazed by horse. Okay, how we find this? Area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector. So in this way we are going to find the area of this increased portion. Okay, this is a simple method. Take common. When you are going to take common, then it is going to be easy for you. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 9. See what is given in this question. A brooch is made with silver wire. Is in the form of circle with diameter 35 mm. So diameter of this circle is given. Diameter is given 35 mm. Means radius become 35 by 2 mm. Clear? Now the wire is used to be make 5 diameters. 5 diameters are there, okay, to make this pouch, which divides the circle in 10 equal sectors. Now these 5 diameters are going to divide the given circle in 10 equal sectors. Find the length of the wire, and in the second case we will find the area of each sector. Okay, two parts are there. In first case we are going to find the length of the wire. So write here length of wire. So when we use the wire, so first we are going to make the circle. This is known as circumference of the circle. So write here circumference of circle plus how many diameters are there? 5 diameters are there. Write here 5 into diameters. Okay, how we find the circumference of circle? Formula is 2 pi r. So 5 into diameter. You know diameter is of 2r. 2 twice the radius is known as diameter. Clear? Now in this question we are going to find the length. So finding the length we are going to use pi value 22/7. Radius is given 35/2 plus 5 into 2 into r. R is again 35/2 because this is the same diameter. Now this 2 is going to cancel. 5 5s are 25, 2 is left, 3 5s are 15, this becomes 175. 7 5s are 35, this 2 is going to cancel, so this becomes 110. Adding these two values, this becomes 285 mm. This is the length of the wire we use to make this pouch. Okay, this is the answer of first part. The length of wire become 285 mm. Now in second case we are going to find the area of sector. So write here second case area of sector. How you find the area of sector? You know formula. Finding the area of sector formula, we use pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Value of pi is given 22/7. Radius again given 35/2 and 35/2 into theta. What is the value of theta? Now see, how many sectors are there? 10 sectors are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And you know complete angle is of 360 degree and 10 sectors are there, divided by 10. So each sector is going to be of 36 degree. Okay, so theta become 36. So write here 36 upon 360. Now this will cancel with 10. Okay, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, and this is going to cancel with this. What is that? 385/2. Not 2, 2 2s are 4. 385/4. Okay. Multiply 35 with 11, so this becomes 380/4. When you are going to divide, the answer become 96.25 mm square. So this is the area of each sector, and this is the length of the wire used to make this complete pouch. Okay. Now we are going to start this question number 10. An umbrella has 8 tips, okay, which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be flat circle, we are going to suppose that on the top umbrella is look like this shape. Okay. Radius is given. Radius become 45 centimeter. Find the area between two consecutive ribs. Now 8 ribs are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 ribs are going to make 8 sectors. So what is the question? Find the area between two consecutive ribs. Two consecutive ribs means we are going to find the area between these two consecutive ribs, means this sector. Only we are going to find the area of simple sector. So write here area of sector. Finding area of sector formula is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Value of pi is given. No, so write 22/7. Radius 45. So write here 45 into 45 upon 360. Now theta, we are going to find theta. How many sectors are there? 8 sectors are there. And you know that this complete angle is of 360 degree. Divide it by 8 because 8 sectors are there. When you are going to divide it by 8, so this becomes 45. It means in this question theta become 45. Means angle of each sector having 45 degree. So theta become 45 degree. So instead of theta I want to write 45. So write here 45. Now I want to cancel this one by one, starting with this number 9 5s are 45 and 9 4s are 36, 0 is remaining. 5 9s are 45, 5 8s are 40. Now 2 4s are 8 and this is going to cancel within hour. Now in denominator 7 4s are 28. Now what is left in the numerator? 9 5s are 45, 45 into 45 and multiply it by 11. When you are going to multiply 45 into 45 and 11, so this comes 2275 centimeters square. So this is the answer. And when you are going to divide this number by 28, the answer become 795.5 centimeter square. In decimal answer is this one and in fraction answer is this one. Okay, simple. You are going to find the area of sector by using this formula pi r square theta upon 360. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Now we are going to start this question number 12. See what is given in this question. To warn ships for underwater rope, a lighthouse spreads red color light. Suppose this is a lighthouse and this is going to spread red color light like this. Okay, and the distance covered by this red light is 16.5. Suppose this one is the distance, this is the length the light is going to cover. Okay, in this question what are we going to find? Find the area of the sea over which these ships are going to warn when light is going to on and this shape is going to make. And you know what is the shape of this? This shape is known as sector of the circle. Okay, same shape is this one. You know this one is the sector. So same shape is this one, having angle 80 degree, length 16.5. So this become radius of the circle. So R become 16.5 in kilometer. And what is the angle? Angle theta is given 80 degree. Simple question is this one. We are going to find the area of sector. Okay, so right here area of sector. And you know how you find the area of sector? Formula is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Clear? Now in this question value of pi is given, which is 3.14. Right here 3.14. After that r square. R is 16.5 kilometer. Right here 16.5 and 16.5. After that theta is given 80 degree. Right here 80 degree. After that 360 is there. I want to remove this point. For this point I want to take 100 in the denominator. For removing these 2 points I want to write here 10 into 10. Clear? Now see, this 0 is cancelled with 0. 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now in denominator become 1 2 3, 4 zeros are there. Okay. Now multiply these two become 1 1 0 and multiplied by this become 6 5 0 0 and multiply this one by 3 1 4. When you are going to multiply all the terms in the numerator, then the answer will come 1 8 9 9 7 0 0. Okay. When you are going to multiply 2 into 55 and again it by 55 and again it by 340, the answer will become this. Now these 2 zeros are going to cancel. Now how many zeros are left? 2 zeros are left. The answer become 189.9 kilometers square. This is the area covered by this light. Okay, so this is the simple answer, area of sector in this question you are going to find by using this formula pi r square theta upon 360. Okay. Now we are going to start this question number 13. See what is given. A round table cover has 6 equal designs. See, this is your round table cover here, having 6 equal designs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 6 designs are there. If radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, the radius of this portion is, or this circle is 28 centimeter. This is given. Find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Use root 3 equal to 1.7. Okay, they are going to find the cost to making this design. So this is a very simple question. How is going to start this question? If I want to ask you one this simple question, you know what is the name of this? This is a minus segment. How you find the area of minus segment? You know, area of this sector minus area of triangle is equal to area of segment. Okay, in the same way I want to solve this question. Now see, I want to join these 2 points. Suppose this is your A and this is your A and this is your B. OAB. This is like sector. Now I want to find the area of this one shaded region. I will find the area of this small portion AB. So area of sector minus area of triangle. How many parts are there? This is the second sector. This one is the third sector, and this one is the fourth sector, and this one is the 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sectors are there, and you know that complete angle is of 360 degree, and since 6 sectors are there, so divided by 6, so this becomes the value of theta. 6 6 are 36, so value of theta becomes 60 degree. It means each sector having each angle 60 degree. Okay, is each sector having its angle 60 degree. Okay, now I want to start my question by finding the area of this minus segment. So I write here area of segment AB. I write here ABC. Okay, how you find the area of this segment AB? Area of sector minus area of this triangle OAB. Simple formula. Write here area of sector minus area of triangle. What is the name of triangle? OAB. We know how you find the area of sector. Formula is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. And how you find the area of this triangle? 1 by 2 r square into sin theta. What is the value of theta? 60. So write here 60. Clear? This is your 60 degree. Now I am going to find the, put in the value of 1 by 1. Value of pi is not given, so it means we are going to take the value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius is given. Yes, radius is given 28 centimeter. So write here 28 into 28. What is the value of theta? Theta becomes 60 degree. Write here 60 degree upon 360 is there. After that 1 by 2 r square. R square means 28 into 28. And value of sin 60, you know, root 3 by 2. Value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Now see, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 4s are 14. So this become 14 to 14, 196 into 1.7. Okay, value root 3 is given, which is equal to 1.7. So I want to use this value root 3. Instead of root 3, I will write 1.7. Now this is going to cancel with 6. 6 is the 36. Now 7 is the 7, 7 4 is the 28. Now 2 2 is the 4, 2 3 is the 6. Now it's going to cancel. Now I want to write here 3. Now this become 2 2 is the 4, 44 into 28. 44 into 28 become, when you are going to multiply 44 into 28, this gives value 1 2 3 2. Okay, I write here 1 2 3 2. And 196.1.7 is there. Now I want to divide 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 0 is there, and 3 6s are 18, and 3 6s are 18. So this become 410.66. When you are going to multiply 196 by 1.17, so this gives answer 3.2. 3.2. When you are going to subtract 333.2 from 410.66, this gives you value 77.46 centimeter square. So this is the area of first segment. How many segments are there? 6 segments are there. We write here area of shaded region. Shaded region means this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 regions are there. So I want to multiply it by 6. By area of one shaded region. 6 into 77.46. Now multiply this one. And you are going to multiply this one. So this become 6 6 are 36. and 7 is there. After that 4, 6, 4. So this is your answer. So this is the answer of area of shaded region. Now in this question we are going to find the cost. Now making the cost is this one, 0.35 per centimeter square. Right here cost of making the design. So right here next step, cost of making the design. Now what is the total area of the design? Total area of the design is 464.76. Now we are going to multiply it by 0.35, means 35 by 100. Remove this point also and put here 100. And you are going to multiply 464.76 by 35. Then answer become 16367 point. So this one is the cost of making the design of this thing. Okay, I want to repeat this one. First, I want to find the area of this shaded portion. I want to start this question. First, I want to find the area of this segment, this AB segment. You know how to find the area of segment? Simple formula is there. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Area of triangle become 1 by 2 r square into sin 60 because angle this is given 60 degree. Value of sin 60 root 3 by 2. Now cancel this by 14 to 14 become 196. Value of root 3 is given 1.7. When you are going to multiply these two come to answer become 333.2. Okay, now calculation this part become 410.66. When you are going to subtract this value from this, answer becomes 77.46. This is the area of first one region, one segment. How many segments are there? 6 segments are there. So right here area of shaded region. So multiply it by 6. When you are going to multiply 6, this answer become 464.76. Now in this question you are going to find the cost. Cost of per meter square, per centimeter square is given 0.35. So multiplied by 0.35, answer become 163.67. This is the rupees. So this is your answer.